Hi everyone, CraftyLori here, and I have a silicone mini doll box opening. I got this doll from Kimberly Dolls on Instagram, and I will have a link to her Instagram down below. If you don't follow her on Instagram, you should. She has some wonderful silicone dolls that she sells. She sells some mini ones and some really small ones. But this one is a mini one, and she posts them when she has them for sale. She doesn't really take orders, so you have to be watching for them. And I haven't gotten a baby in a long time, so this is extra special. And I'm just opening it now, and there's a little card here. Let me see what this says. And this came pretty quick after I ordered it too. And it's a little thank you card. It says thank you. And it says, Lori, thank you for adopting this little guy. I hope you enjoy him and have a great summer. God bless you, Kimberly. And so it is going to be a boy doll. Oh, look, and it's a little certificate. It says, this certificate of authenticity verifies that this Robin doll is number 21 out of 100, so it's a limited edition too. Made it in platinum silicone on June 24th by Kay Keller, and that's Kimberly Keller. So a nice little certificate, and it looks like he comes with a little mini diaper and a little pacifier and a little mini bottle. And here he is. He's all wrapped up super nice. Oh, and the sticker's a little footprint, a little blue footprint. I'm going to zoom in here. Here we go. But I haven't gotten a new doll in forever. So this was a special little treat for myself. Unroll him here. Oh my gosh. I can already see him through the plastic. He is so cute. He's wrapped super good. And I believe he has an armature, so his arms won't be so floppy. We'll see. I can't remember. And she sculpts these herself, so these aren't like, you know, stolen sculpts or anything like that. There he is. Oh, how cute. Look at that face. And it's the squishy silicone. Oh my gosh. And his mouth is open, so he can have that little pacifier. And it's cute little ribbons on his blankie here. Let's unwrap him. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's painted very well. Oh, how cute. And there he is. Yep, there's armature in his hands, so I can pose his hands. And they're still you know, floppy. And there's his, I don't think there's armatures. Nope, no armatures in the legs. Look at those little toes. Oh, how cute is this? Let me back this up a little bit more even. There we go. Oh, he's good and squishy. And this is a boy doll. He is going to be anatomically correct. Let's just take a little peek. Look at his little belly button. Yep, a little boy doll. We'll cover that back up. Oh, she does such good work, and she does these all by herself. And look at this little head. He's a little baldy. Look at those ears. Oh, how cute. How cute. He's got a little shiny spots, but that's to be expected. Look at those ears. Oh my gosh, he is precious, and he's pretty long. I mean, for a miniature silicone baby. Let's turn him over. He's got little wrinkles. I bet you he's got a cute little butt. I'll look at that later. And here's his floppy little legs. Look at that. Oh, this is cute. This is such a cute little art doll. And for those of you who are not doll collectors that are watching this, This is basically an art doll, and these are what I collect. I like to collect the art dolls that look like real babies, and they're usually called reborn dolls. Oh, look at that, and his little neck. So cute. Cute, cute, cute. But that is my mini silicone doll from Kimberly Dolls on Instagram. And remember, I will link the Instagram down below. And if you're new to my channel, you're welcome to subscribe. You can click on my avatar or my profile picture in the upper right hand corner. And thanks for watching. Bye.